What's the meaning of Chief Justice? Chief Justice. Chief Justice.
Chief Justice. Chief Justice. Chief Justice refers to the topmost judge in a judicial system, particularly in a Supreme Court. This position is tasked with leading the court's proceedings, and has the ultimate responsibility of interpreting the law and ensuring that justice is administered fairly and impartially. The Chief Justice is also responsible for presiding over important cases and making decisions that can have a significant impact on the legal landscape of the country. As such, the position requires considerable experience, legal knowledge, and leadership skills, and is regarded as one of the most important roles in the justice system.